Have you ever wondered? Perhaps you're not alone in what you see on your face while watching this video. When you look in the mirror, you only see yourself, but under a microscope, a whole new world emerges. Microscopic mites called Demodex live at the base of your eyelashes, in your eyebrows, and inside your sebaceous glands. It might sound frightening at first, but they are actually found on the vast majority of people and often cause no symptoms. Demodex is a creature related to spiders and ticks, only about 0.3 millimeters long. Two types are most common in humans. One lives in hair follicles, while the other settles deeper in the sebaceous glands. If you could magnify your skin millions of times, you would see that your seemingly smooth face is actually an invisible world where every pore is a cave and every hair follicle is a giant living space. The most interesting part is their nocturnal life. During the day, they hide inside the hair follicles. When you fall asleep, they slowly rise to the surface, move towards new follicles, and mate. These tiny creatures, which can only move a few centimeters per hour, see your face as a vast continent waiting to be explored. Why do they live especially on our faces? Because their favorite food is sebum, the oily secretions naturally produced by our skin. Therefore, the nose, forehead, cheeks, and lash lines are their most suitable habitats. Interestingly, the likelihood of encountering Demodex increases with age. Studies show that a large percentage of adult humans harbor these microscopic creatures. Demodex is often harmless and considered part of our skin's natural microbiota. However, in some people, their numbers may be higher than normal and may be associated with certain skin and eyelid conditions, such as rosacea or blepharitis. However, it's not accurate to say that they are the sole cause of disease. The immune system and skin balance also play a significant role. Moreover, Demodex is not alone. Billions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms coexist on and in your skin, forming a complex ecosystem. Perhaps what you see every time you look in the mirror isn't just you. It is also home to an invisible world that has lived alongside humans for millions of years. Some of nature's most astonishing secrets may not be hidden in distant galaxies as we imagine, but in our own faces, that we see in the mirror every day.